Good morning, Akshayans. How are you all? Hope you would have completed model paper 1, revised nicely, ready for your terminal exam, practicing Hindi. Are you writing neatly without spelling mistake? Very good, children. Fine, now we'll be seeing model paper 2. Okay, have you received your model paper 2 and 3? Yes, please collect it. And today, model paper 2, we are dividing into two parts. Part 1, we'll see. Okay. Please take your model paper 2. Very good taken. Good children. Yes, first exercise. Please take all of you. What is given in your first exercise? First, Roman number 1. Vachan Jodo. What is Vachan, children? Singular, plural. Okay. In English you will be studying number. Number means not 1, 2, 3, 4 number. This number is grammar. We make the nouns as singular and plural. If one will say singular. If many will say plural. The same in Hindi. If one will say ekavachan. If many will say bahuvachan. In Tamil also you are studying orumai, panmai. The same only vachan. Okay. So now they have given you many words. What are you going to do? In the vachan, you should match the correct answer. Okay. Let us match. First let me say the word. You understand the meaning and please practice how to read it. The first one is ladka. You know very well this word. Ladka, boy. Patta. What is the meaning? Patta. Leaf. Buddha. Old man. Gunga. What is gunga? Dumb. Bahara. Deaf. Gunga, bahara, dumb, deaf and dumb. Have you seen children, any people like that? Very bad, no, poor people. We should always help them. See, they have got this disabled and they are living with that disability. Very bad. We are all getting all the body parts fine and we are very fine. Even after that, we are lazy. Yes or no? But see, those people after getting all this disabled, they are very fine. Many ways. Okay, so always we should help this type of people. We should not tease them. Okay, good. Now we'll go to see the other side. Plural words are given. Bude. What is bude? Old men. That is many. Okay. Gunge. Many. It denotes not one. Many. Bahare. Deaf. Many deafs. Ladke, many boys. Boy, boys. पत्ते, leaves. तो कैसे हम जोड़ेंगे बच्चों? How will you match this? Now I think you yourself will do. I need not help you. Do it by yourself. Very good. लड़का, लड़के. पत्ता, पत्ते. बूढ़ा, बूढ़े. Gunga, gunge. Bahara, bahare. So you understood how you should match this? Singular and plural. Ekavachan, bahuvachan. Understood, children? Vachan, jodo. The heading is matching means vachan, jodo. Match the correct singular to plural. Understood? Very good. Now let us go to the next one. Second exercise. शब्दार्थ लिखो. क्या दिया गया है? शब्दार्थ. शब्दार्थ meaning. At the back of every lesson you are reading lot of meanings in English and Hindi. Do you remember? If you read the English to Hindi meanings, you will come to know what is the meaning, vocabulary, how to read this Hindi lesson. It will be helpful for you. Okay. So now see here, what is this? Pehla. What is given here? Please see. शैतानी. पहला शब्द क्या है? शैतानी. शैतानी का मतलब क्या है? मिस्चीव और वेरी बैड बिहेवियर. इट मीन्स गिविंग ट्रबल टू अदर्स. ओके, mischievous boys, not allowing others to do any work, always disturbing. That is called mischief. Very bad, no? Mischief. शैतानी करना. Okay. मजा आना. मजा आना, enjoying, becoming very happy, enjoying. तंग करना. तंग करना means disturbing others, troubling. बहरा. What is बहरा? Deaf. अकेला. Alone. अकेला, alone, only one. Lonely. We say no, अकेला रहती गई. Akela, alone. So you understood, children, the meanings? One time I'll say, repeat, kids, all of you. Shaitani, mischief, bad behavior. Maza ana, enjoy. Tang karna, troubling. Bahara, deaf. Akela, alone. So you understood the meanings now? Very good. We'll go to the next one. Hindi Shabdartha Likho. The same book back meanings, but what are you going to do? We have given you English word and now you will be writing Hindi words. Okay? So what are all the English and Hindi word given here? See, first one is dumb. You know very well, already you read this word many times. Lesson, you know the meaning. Shout, shouting, shout. Time. Then the next word is come. So you understood all the 5 words very well. Now come to the choose. See here some choose Hindi words given. You want to see this word. Samay. Samay क्या है? समय पर खाओ. Eat on time. What is the meaning samay? Time. Sabak. He learnt a lesson. Sabak. Lesson. Gunga. Dumb. Chillana. Shout. The word itself it comes no? Chillana. Shout. Come. Now you know the meaning very well. Can you match? Yes. Do by yourself. What is it first? समय. सबक. सबक क्या है? लेसन. गूंगा. डम. चिल्लाना. शाउट. कम. So you understood? Say once again. Repeat all of you. Dumb. गूंगा. लेसन. सबक. शाउट. चिल्लाना. Time, samay, come, Very good. So you understood, children? Fine. The next one, उत्तर दो. यहाँ क्या करना चाहिए आप लोगों को? You have to answer the questions. Answer the following. These questions are taken from your lessons. Have you read the lesson? Question answers? Very fine. Let us see now how are you answering. पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है? राजू रंगस्वामी किस कक्षा में पढ़ता था? राजू रंगस्वामी, name of the boy. किस, which, कक्षा, class, पढ़ता, study. So in which class he is studying? Do you know in which class Raju Rangaswamy studying? Very good. Raju Rangaswamy, Chauthi Kaksha. So in the place of kiss what will come? Chauthi. Kiss Kaksha? Chauthi Kaksha में पढ़ता था. So what is the meaning? किसका मतलब which? Which class? 4th standard. Chauthi Kaksha. Understood? Very good. Come to the next one. Raju और उसके मित्र किसके पीछे पड़े थे? तो राजू, उसके मित्र का मतलब क्या है? हिज फ्रेंड्स। किसके पीछे का मतलब? एट द बैक ऑफ whom? पड़े थे, गोइंग। एट द बैक ऑफ whom they were going? Raju and his friends. They were going at the back of somebody and troubling. Do you know the story? Yes, very good. The same story. Now you want to write the answer. So how will you write? Raju और उसके मित्र, राजू and his friends एक बूढ़े आदमी के पीछे पड़े थे। तो किसके पीछे? एक बूढ़े आदमी। किसके पीछे? एक बूढ़े आदमी। Here किसके comes no? In that place what will you write? किस place? एक बूढ़े आदमी। अच्छा, किसके पीछे पड़े थे? एक बूढ़े आदमी के पीछे पड़े थे। Understood children? So you are thorough in this two question. First one, what is that? राजू रंगस्वामी किस कक्षा में पढ़ता था? What answer will you write? राजू रंगस्वामी चौथी कक्षा में पढ़ता था। नेक्स्ट how will you write? राजू और उसके मित्र किसके पीछे पड़े थे? राजू और उसके मित्र एक बूढ़े आदमी के पीछे पड़े थे। Understood? Very good. We'll go to the next one. This is third and fourth question given here. So third one, what is the question here? See, third question, हमें किसका आदर करना चाहिए? हमें we, किसका? whom, आदर respect, करना चाहिए we should do, want to do, okay? To whom we have to give respect? किसका आदर करना चाहिए? To whom we have to give respect? हमें बड़ों का आदर करना चाहिए। What you have to do? You should give respect to बड़ों। बड़ों means what? Elders. किसका आदर करना चाहिए? बड़ों का आदर करना चाहिए। Understood? Next question see, बच्चे क्या क्या बने हुए थे? बच्चे children क्या क्या what? बने हुए become or made. What are all the makeup? They were become like whom they become like? All the children. About what I am talking? Which lesson? Do you remember? Fancy dress show. Do you remember that lesson? Who is becoming like a beggar? भिखारी का makeup करता है. Do you remember that lesson? Yes, from that only I have taken. तो बच्चे जोकर, डॉक्टर, सैनिक बने हुए थे. So what are all the makeup the children have come? They have come as a joker, doctor, sainik. So they have come in all these makeup. Okay. Say repeat third question answer one time children. हमें किसका आदर करना चाहिए? हमें बड़ों का आदर करना चाहिए. Go to the fourth one. बच्चे क्या क्या बने हुए थे? बच्चे जोकर, डॉक्टर, सैनिक बने हुए थे. तो समझ गए? Very good. Go to the fifth one. Fifth question what is given here? Fifth question में एक क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द सेम लेसन. किस लेसन? फैंसी ड्रेस शो का लेसन से दिया है. अच्छा, यहाँ देखो इस क्वेश्चन में विद्यालय में क्या होने वाला था? विद्यालय क्या है? स्कूल. क्या होने वाला? What is going to happen? So what is going to happen in the school? विद्यालय में फैंसी ड्रेस शो होने वाला था. तो what you should write? क्या place you want to write? फैंसी ड्रेस शो. अच्छा, वन टाइम रिपीट. विद्यालय में क्या होने वाला था? विद्यालय में फैंसी ड्रेस शो होने वाला था. वेरी गुड. सो यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. सही शब्द से खाली जगह भरो. So what you have to do? With the correct answer you should fill the blank. So fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Options given here, you want to choose the correct one. Okay? So let us choose the correct one. First one, अपने से बड़ों डैश आदर करना चाहिए. अपने से बड़ों का मतलब क्या है? बड़ों, एल्डर्स. अपने से people elder than you. आदर करना, respect. So you should respect the people elder than you. So how will you write बड़ों? After बड़ों what will come? अपने से बड़ों का. What will you write? का. बड़ों का आदर करना चाहिए. If you add this ka, then only the sentence fulfilled. Okay, it is like preposition adding. Come to the second sentence. उसने कभी किसी तंग नहीं किया. तंग करना, troubling. He has never troubled anybody. उसने कभी किसी, what will come here? किसी का. उसने कभी किसी का तंग नहीं किया. Okay, when you write ka only, it is a full sentence. Third one, विवेक बूढ़े आदमी के पीछे डैश. What will come पीछे? पढ़े थे. पढ़ी थी और पढ़े थे. विवेक masculine gender, so you will write पढ़े थे. Understood? Very good. Go to the next one. Fourth question. चौथी कक्षा. See what is given here? राजू चौथी कक्षा में डैश. So राजू is studying in 4th standard. How will you write? राजू चौथी कक्षा में पढ़ता था. What will come in the blank? राजू चौथी कक्षा में पढ़ता था. Go to the fifth one. बूढ़ा आदमी का अर्थ. What is the meaning for the बूढ़ा आदमी? Do you know बूढ़ा आदमी दिया है ना at the back of your book? What is the meaning? बूढ़ा आदमी का अर्थ old man or young man. Old man, young man. What will say? युवक. For young man will say युवक. For old man will say बूढ़ा आदमी. समझ गए? Very good children. Now what will you do? You want to go through once, twice and take your question paper, write off your own neatly without spelling mistake. Okay, now you understood everything? Very good children. So please complete these exercises neatly in your notebook. See the model paper and write it. Okay? Have a great day children.